Hi Liz, thought I'd try and catch some sun for you and show you my vegetable garden. I've just opened, I have to go next door, which is a pain, to try and check out get my emails. So I don't do it very often. Say hello to my tomatoes. Tomatoes, say hi Liz. Here's my herbs. My silver beet. Oh, isn't it lovely? My olive grove. Oh, that's not very good, is it? That's why I stand in the shade. My olive grove. It's the front. It's my rental. Now, I just wanted to show you the ocean. I can show you the chickens. You can say hi to the girls. If you put this on a big screen, I can't email from here. It's hopeless. But chickens, if you can focus right down the bottom there. Girls, say hi to Liz. That's round the corner. It's my rosemary. That's my view. Horrible, isn't it? And I'll show you inside. It's a bloody mess. People have just left, so I've got a bit of space and time. This is amazing. Don't you think it's so gorgeous? The fridge. That's my dad, in the middle, dead dad. Don't you know? It's my bedroom. It's my rosemary plant. View out of the bedroom, not bad. Spare room, bathroom, fish. The fridge.
Here's a little song I wrote. Might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy now.
Well, I wonder if you'll get this. Anyway, I'll send it through and see. Worry, be happy.